Accomack traffic, drill tail is on the roll, 2-1, Accomack. Wee, little bumpy. Hopefully you can't hear all the airplane noise with the headset going through the thing. I hope. I won't know till I get home. All right, 400, looking for places to land in an emergency. All right. Camera's still on us, that's good. Looking for 1,000 feet. Pitching for 79 knots. Oh, wrong screen. Really? All right, ease her back, fuel pump off, landing light off. All right, welcome to the beautiful Eastern Shore. We'll shorten this up a little bit. Atlantic Ocean, Chesapeake Bay. Get her done. Go Donald Trump, Veterans for Trump. Vets for Trump. All right.